Alright, hey, this is Hans the Ramen Raider coming at you again with another episode of Instant Noodle Recipe Time, the show where I show you what to do with your instant noodles. I've tried over 3,000 varieties. Kind of know a thing or two about the subject, so. Today, we've got something from Japan. This is Daikoku Gunma Udon. So, there's a prefecture in Japan, kind of like a province or a state. They have prefectures. And there's one called Gunma. And this is the mascot for Gunma Prefecture. It's a horse. If you hold it upside down, it looks kind of like the vice president eating a stewed egg. With that, just the white part reminds me of his hair. Guy looks like an American eagle, I swear to God. But anyways, yeah. So let's get on that. I'm sure you can hear the water boiling. If you can't, then I don't know why. We got a cup. We got boiling water. We have a thing so we don't deal with lots of spillage, because I tend to spill. We got 3 minutes. And there. All you gotta do. So what's new with you guys? Not much here. I'm kind of on the fence about something today. So, episodes 89 and 90. Well, I basically set these things up to upload and then do something else, because the upload rate here is absolute trash. Wave broadband has like the worst upload speed. It's like, usually these videos take an hour and a half to 2 hours to upload. It's stupid, right? And we can't get Comcast here. We're right next to a main corridor. I mean, we're like 5 minutes away from I-5, 5 minutes away from 405. Can't get Comcast here. And we're not in the boonies. I mean, I can walk, like 5 minutes, and there's a Safeway right there on a main drag. So I don't. It's stupid. The people here made a contract with one of Comcast's competitors, and long story short, it's a real lame deal. But so what happened is, apparently when I did 89 and 90, the uploads failed. So unbeknownst to me, that happened, and I just kind of went, oh, whatever. And now it comes to when they were supposed to come out, which was yesterday and today. So I'm kind of set up with a dilemma. Do I make a new 89 and 90 and have them both come out today, and will this be one of them? And I think maybe, yeah. So you're actually watching this the day I recorded it. So what up? Current news. There's things going on right now in the news. It's funny, I was watching the Kavanaugh vote, or at least the cloture vote, and until they said they had 30 hours to decide who they're voting for. It was like all this build-up, and it's like, oh, it's gonna, okay, whatever. Cool. But, yeah, I put that on, and then I was like, okay, kids, you can have your kids' shows again. And then I was kind of curious after an hour or so, so I like put it back on. They started screaming and yelling. They got all really mad because I turned off their kids shows and put on like CNN and MSNBC. And then I put it back because they just had like 8 people in little squares talking. One and done. So we have noodles, and you got to see them cook. So dude who likes to see things cook got to see them cook. I hope you're watching, dude who likes to see things cook. Tomorrow we'll be back to our regular kind of old videos, stuff that I recorded like 3 weeks ago, you know, because I'm like today I'm doing 3 of them. So, which you're gonna be like, I know someone's gonna be like, you ate 3 instant noodles in one day, you're gonna die. It's like, no, I really, honestly, you see what I eat of these for the most part. I might have another taste if it's something really, really awesome. Oh yeah, I might eat the whole thing, but it doesn't happen all that much. So what do we got here? Looks like, here you go, look. Can you see? Yeah, you can see. So we got, these look like mushroom pieces or seaweed. The hell was that? Somebody's doing something outdoors and I don't approve of it. Let's see. What is that? Seaweed or something? Wow, this tastes like seaweed. Oh, note that while the mascot for Gunma province might be a horse, there's no horse in this. No. Honestly, you know what this tastes like? It tastes like tanuki udon. It has that kind of sweet broth. It's got tempura in it. This is tempura udon. Huh. Well, let's do something to it. Shall we? Okay, so I'm gonna use this one because it's a small bowl, and I think I used this yesterday or the day before. I don't like to use the same bowl 2 times in a row or in quick succession, but sometimes it's just like, yeah, that'll work. I did use it yesterday. I used it on the, yeah. But you don't know that, actually. You won't know that until it actually comes out in a review. There. Talk about complicated. We'll use the KISS method. Keep it simple, stupid. Yeah. That'll work for today, I think. It really is kind of good on that set. It doesn't need a whole lot. So, yeah, there is the Gunma. It's by Daikoku. This was out of a Umai crate. There is going to be an Umai crate contest coming up pretty quick. And it'll be available, I believe, to everybody in the entire world, in the whole universe. So, yeah. And hey, if you were in on the Tapatio contest, you need to, like, if you haven't responded by now, you need to respond. Come on, because this is getting ridiculous. I keep trying to contact these people, and nobody's answering. So it's like, I may just randomly pick 3 more, because out of the 5, only 2 have replied. But I'll give you more time. I figure that's the only fair thing to do. I'll give you at least a whole month, and then we'll try reselecting. So, anyways, this has been Hans the Ramen Raider wishing you enjoyment of your noodles every day. If you like this video, cool. I'm really stoked on that. Check out these videos. There's some pretty cool action here. Yeah, and click like and subscribe. Subscriptions are really, really important. So please consider subscribing. Thank you. Bye-bye.